The gas tank of Mr. Ford's car is 5/8 full. If he used 2/5 of this traveling from his house to his province, what part of the tank now has gas? Okay, so let's analyze the problem. The gas tank of Mr. Ford's car is 5/8 full. So 5/8 full. If he used 2/5. 2/5 of this. So that means we will multiply 2/5 to 5/8. And then we will subtract because he used 2/5 of this. And the question is, what part of the tank now has gas? Okay, so the working equation here is 5/8 minus the 2/5 of 5/8. Okay, so 5/8 minus 5/8 times 2/5. Okay, so just solve this. So we have 5/8 minus, so let's see, multiply this so we can cancel the 5. 5 in the numerator and then 5 in the denominator. And then we have 2 in the numerator and 8 in the denominator, so we can divide both by 2. So 2 divided by 2, that is 1. And then 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the remaining for this part is 1 over 1/4. So just subtract this, 5/8 minus 1/4. So make the fraction similar. We can make this fraction 1/4 a denominator of 8 by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 2. Okay, so just copy 5/8 and then minus 1 times 2, we have 2. And then 4 times 2, that is equal to 8. So they are now similar fractions. So therefore, all we have to do now is subtract the numerators. 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. And then copy the common denominator, 8. So therefore, the remaining part of the tank that has gas is 3/8. So the answer is letter B, 3/8. Follow for more.